O people, listen to the words I speak. I do not know whether I shall be alive among you in another year. Therefore listen well, and carry these words to those who are not here. You know this day, this month, and this city. They are sacred to you. So I remind you now, the life and property of every person here are equally sacred. Return trust to their owners. Hurt no one, so that no one will hurt you. Allah has forbidden you to take interest on loans, therefore all interest is abolished. Your capital remains yours. You will neither inflict nor suffer injustice. Beware of Satan. He has given up on causing you to slip in major deeds, so guard against his whispers in small ones. O people, fear Allah regarding the women. You have rights over them, and they have rights over you. Treat women with kindness and respect. They are partners and helpers, under the same covenant of trust. Provide for them, never oppress them. All of you descend from Adam and Eve. No Arab is superior to a non-Arab, and no non-Arab is superior to an Arab. No white person is superior to a black person, nor is a black person superior to a white person, except by piety and good action. Every believer is a brother or sister to another. Do not do injustice to yourselves. Remember, one day you will all stand before Allah and give account for your deeds. So beware, and do not stray from the path of righteousness after I am gone. O Allah, be my witness and be witness through these gathered hearts that I have delivered your message faithfully. A message of unity, justice, and compassion passed on for all humanity.